got the lucky winner in here. 2022 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 fastback. Sexy little car. And she was the winner of the thermal R&D system that we had sweepstakes on. There will be more sweepstakes to come. So let me show you what the system looks like, guys. Factory converters as usual. Then it comes with this system cat back. There's the old mufflers that were on it. We took all that off and I'll show you guys the resonator. So it comes all bolt on. You can do it at home, but I recommend the shop. It's easier and somebody with a lift so you can actually get under it with ease. Professionally installed is always better. Anyways, here's a thermal R&D system, 3-inch cat back. That's the mint muffler that comes on it right there, dual in, dual out. It is a true dual system all the way back, stainless steel. Really beautiful system, as you guys can see. And what's nice about thermal R&D and them giving us this system to give out is they guarantee no drone. And how they do that is with these cases right here. As you guys can see right there, these mufflers that they designed. The pipe goes into there and it goes into this canister and eliminates the drone completely away. So I'm so happy for her that she won this. There's the resonator that was on it too. There's the mufflers. She was all the way from Atlanta. She drove down to Nashville, Tennessee, and we welcomed her with open arms, and we appreciate her coming down and winning this system. So keep an eye out for more sweepstakes, guys. We're gonna probably do a Borla giveaway next, and maybe a Valvetronics after that. We'll see. Anyways, and like always, guys, please like, comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And thanks again to Thermal R&D for sending us this system to give away. And there'll be a link in the description for this system if you guys would like to purchase one. The same one. The lucky winner, guys. We're gonna record her reaction. This is the first startup, okay? Here we go. You like it? So like I said, guys, we'll have more sweepstakes to come. We appreciate her coming down to Atlanta. And here it is. Really nice. Here's sound decibels. 114. That's not bad at all. Go ahead again. Do we get a thumbs up? Yes. Absolutely. Go ahead and back it up. Again, thanks to Thermal R&D for supplying the system. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. See, there are lucky winners. We appreciate them coming out all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. It was a 4.5, 5-hour drive for them to get this thermal R&D system on their Mustang installed. As you guys can see, they sound phenomenal.